I'd like to say a few words in English, and I'd like to speak to the international community. Somaliland today, on the 13th of November 2017, is lining up for yet one more presidential elections. The Republic of Somaliland is known for its democratic elections. This is not the first time that the people of Somaliland have landed up in the sun, in the cold, to cast their vote. This is a biometric vote. I can only vote if I have this card and if my iris and my biometrics confirm that I am the person I'm claiming to be. I cannot vote twice. I cannot vote for somebody else. I will only vote for the person that I am, Edna Adan Ismail. And I would also like to confirm to the Voice of America and the BBC that Somaliland is not a state. Somaliland is a country. Somaliland is a country which is the oldest country in the Somali inhabited Horn of Africa. It's older than Somalia. It's older than many other countries. It's the 12th country to be independent in the Horn of Africa. It is not a state. It has internationally defined territories. And when I hear the Voice of America and the BBC describing Somaliland as a state, I hope they feel ashamed, because the British should know that British Somaliland was once part of the British Empire. And the United States should know that Somaliland has internationally defined boundaries and was also once the country that was the first independent nation in the Horn of Africa. It is not a state. It is not a region. It is not a district. It is not a zone. It's the Republic of Somaliland. Thank you very much.